Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, August 29, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons, and welcome to the Python Press.
Where we give you all the news you need.
First up, musical rehearsals start today. I'll be there.
So will I. And did you know that the playground turns into an underwater park at night?
Okay, not true. Please don't listen to him, Pythons.
And did you know that the Squishmallows in Miss Amena's room talk?
Okay, cut to the announcements.
Welcome back to the Python Press.
Where we give you the real news.
Yeah, like how every month the vending machine select a random person to give free snacks to.
You know what? Fine. The vending machine gives free snacks, the Squishmallows can talk, and whatever else you want to make up.
Okay, maybe I got a bit carried away.
It's fine. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!